before. Sensors simply detected, on or off, light or dark. Today, we sense the unseen, seeing the transparent, penetrating fog, detecting the smallest details, and even predicting the future. Akusense, building the industry's most comprehensive and advanced portfolio of photoelectric products. Comprehensive product line. Multi-source series. Red light, infrared light, blue light, white light, RGB tricolor light. Multi-spot series. Small spot, square spot, line spot. Different shapes. Slot type photoelectric sensors. Cylindrical photoelectric sensors. Flat type photoelectric miniature photoelectric sensor. Ultra-thin photoelectric sensors. More precise applications, specialized for transparent objects. KIM series, label detecting photoelectric sensors. BGS background suppression, photoelectric sensor. CMOS laser sensor. Top photoelectric sensors. Color detection type. With the advancement of Industry 4.0, users are no longer satisfied with simple switching signals. They expect sensors to become the smart endpoints of the production line. IO-Link smart photoelectric sensors, an intelligent photoelectric sensor with a high-performance Akusense chip and self-diag algorithms. It not only detects but predicts. It provides real-time device status and forecasts potential faults, helping customers achieve predictive maintenance and minimize unexpected production downtime. From precision electronics to heavy machinery, from packaging lines to logistics sorting, from lithium-ion battery production to semiconductor integration, Akusense Photoelectric covering every inspection scenario you can imagine, from the sentience of all things to the unseen.